Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new here. Nice to meet you. My name is Sandra and today I'm going to show you how I've created this Christmas makeup look only with Drugstore products. So if you're interested, then just keep on watching. As always, I just start with my eyes, and first I'm priming my eyelids with a concealer. This one is the Instant Anti-Age Rewind Concealer from, not Catrice, it's Maybelline. And to set everything in place, I'm taking the Catrice New Delusion Powder, and I'm just taking the rest that is in the cap. So now we have a very good base for the eyeshadow, and today I will take this eyeshadow palette here from Catrice. It's called Glitterholic Eyeshadow Palette in the shade Showstopper, and I really love the colors here. They look so beautiful and I think they are perfect for Christmas. And by the way, if you see glitter all over my face, it's because I've used this eyeshadow here in a former tutorial that I filmed today. But anyways, let's move on. As my transition shade, I'm taking this dark red color here and I'm packing it into my crease. Brown color here with the red undertone, and I'm also applying it into my crease, and but not as high as the red shade. And now I'm taking the red color again, and only a little bit to blend these two colors together. Take your time with blending, just to avoid any hard edges. And for the center of my lid, I'm taking this light glittery shade here. I want to see if it fits. If it's too light, I will take this one, but first I'm taking the lighter one, and I just apply it with my ring finger, and I only put it into the center of my lid. You can totally leave it like this, but in my opinion it's a little bit too light, and that's why I'm taking this color here. And now I'm taking the same blending brush again without any color, and I just blend all the colors together. I really love this eyeshadow palette because the colors are so pigmented and so easy to blend, and also the texture is so extremely soft. Yeah, I really like them. So eyeshadow is done. Now I'm doing my eyeliner, and for that I'm taking the Astor Eye Artist liquid eyeliner, and I will just line my upper lash line and do a little flick. Look similar, not the same as always, but that doesn't matter. Next I'm going in with the Rimmel Wonderfully Real Mascara, and I'm just applying a little bit onto my upper lashes, not too much because I will apply falsies afterwards. So before I apply the falsies, I will let the mascara dry down a little bit. And in the meantime, I'm applying primer, and for that I'm taking the Prime and Fine Aqua Fresh Hydro Primer from Catrice. And I really love this primer, especially now in winter time, because it gives me so much hydration, or yeah, my skin. And I take a little bit, don't take too much because a little bit goes a long way. And I just apply it all over my face. And I really blend it into my skin. It feels so good. It feels like a normal moisturizer. Now that mascara is completely dry, and now I'm going in with the magnetic lashes from Adele. And now I'm just taking this Max Factor eyeliner and I'm only tightlining my upper waterline. So next step, let me think, yeah, putting back my hair, because otherwise I have all the foundation in my hair. And for foundation I'm taking the L'Oreal Perfect Match foundation, and I really love this foundation because it gives the skin a very natural but beautiful glow. And yeah, especially now at the winter time when my skin is extremely dry, I love these kind of foundations. And also now for Christmas I want to go a little bit more extra glamorous and glowy looking. So I really like it, and maybe you can see the glow a little bit. And this foundation is, I would say, medium coverage, so it covers the pimples. They are a little bit visible, but I don't mind because I will use the concealer later on. And speaking of that, I'm taking the same concealer like before again, and I just put a little bit underneath my eyes. And to set all the places where I've put concealer on, I'm taking the New Delusion Loose Powder from Catrice. And I only take a little bit. Just a powder that is in a cap. I know this is a blush brush, but lately I love using this for setting my concealer, especially underneath my eyes, because I love this finish. It looks so good. Better than with every other brush. But yeah, I'm a little bit weird, but that's okay. So now I'm going back to the eyeshadow palette, and yeah, I will mix these two colors together. These are the colors that I've used on my eyelids. And I'm taking a smaller brush and I'm just buffing the eyeshadow underneath my lower lash line. The only thing that is missing in this eyeshadow palette is the black color, because I want to intensify my lower lash line a little bit. But I think I will take the Max Factor eyeliner and just apply it a little bit. And I'm really focusing only on the outer part of the eye. And then I'm taking the brush again and blend it out a little bit. Yeah, let's move on to bronzer. And here I'm taking the Max Factor Cream Bronzer. It's my oldie but goodie, and the cool thing about it is that it has a very beautiful glow in it. And for blush I'm taking the Essence Matte Touch Blush, and I'm just applying a little bit on the apples of my cheeks. Oh, I totally forgot to put concealer onto my lower lashes. And of course the most important thing for a very beautiful, festive or Christmassy makeup look is the highlighter. And for that I'm taking the Essence Insta Perfect Highlighting Drops. And I put a little bit onto my fingers. And to finish up this look, I'm taking the LA Girl Glitter Magic Shimmer Shifting Lip Color, and it's in the shade GLC 849. It's very beautiful and it also has a little bit of glitter in it, so perfect for Christmas, like everything in this makeup look. So I totally forgot to highlight my inner corners and underneath my brow bone, and for that I'm taking this light shade here. So guys, that's the finished makeup look. I really love how it turned out. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!